So results of my home race alignment. It's actually pretty good. I am quite surprised how easy it is to use those BG Racing sticks. So as you can see right here, wheels are completely straight on this side, wheels are completely straight on this side, and then the steering wheel, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, we'll go inside real quick. It is absolutely straight. See that? Now, I still don't know what the caster is and all that crap because that's way too advanced for me. But as far as getting my camber and toe and everything, it's actually quite decent. Now, if you guys are curious, why didn't I just take this to an alignment shop when you could just pay $90 or whatever to get this aligned, right? That is actually for normal cars. Yes, you can take it to an alignment shop and get your, Honda Civic, your stock daily, a $90 alignment job. But for cars like these with crazy adjustable everything, caster, toe, camber, whatever, most race shops will charge you around $350 for a race alignment, and then a little bit more if you are, doing all sorts of fancy tie rods and crap. All right, and also corner balancing. Corner balancing is where you sit in the car or they put weights in there to simulate that you're inside the car, and then they adjust everything accordingly to that. So yeah, it's so easy for people to say online that, oh, you just taking it to an alignment shop. They would have done it. Most corporate big tire companies will not take, or alignment shops will not take, modified cars like these because it's a total pain in the butt. And if they do take these types of cars, they will just set it to factory specs, which is kind of useless if you're doing a car like this. Why would you want stock alignment with all the fancy arms and stuff? So yeah, for some of you people saying, oh, you could have just taken it to an alignment shop and solved your problem instantly versus doing your little sticks, that's actually wrong. And if you guys want to keep doing your own alignment at home and you're keeping this car forever, it's absolutely cheaper to do it yourself with the BG Racing sticks and the Paco Motorsports hub stands, because you only buy once, right? And then you can use it forever. Or you could keep going to an alignment shop and spend $200-300 for a motorsports alignment. Up to you guys, but everyone's always got something to say on social media, so I'm just sharing my view on why I did it that way. I'm still gonna go check it with a laser machine at Evasive Motorsports when they have time, but for now, this thing drives pretty sick.